This is invoice number 66. It's a New York Central. It's an H-9 Consolidated, and cab number is 9378. This is the right out of the box test. We're going to put a new sound file onto it, and I have it hooked up on the DCS remote. I've already tested with the ZW over here just a little bit ago, and it's working just fine. I did do a feature reset, so that brought the sound levels back up, so the sound is back where it should be. But we'll go ahead and start it up here. You hear it coming up, and you hit the whistle real quick. Also bell, we'll bring it up. It's moving the way we're expecting it to. Looks like all the lights are good. And the smoke was off, so turn the smoke on, and we're doing pretty good. Yep, there's the smoke. And shut it down. Talk real quick. I did let it go all the way down there. Go ahead and kill the power. So I just wanted to mention, I did notice a few items that we should probably work on here. I know the catcher is hanging down, and we've got some loose screws in there. Actually, I'd put it on my track, and it grounded out, and so I knew something was going on there. Of course, we also have, I'm going to flip it over here to show how I have it wired up. Now usually you should be able to put the power and the ground both on the engine, but the only way I can get it to come up on my bench is to put the ground over here on the tender. And that tells me we have a broken connection here in the wiring harness or somewhere along the way. We should probably get that fixed. That's kind of scaring me. That's telling me there's something going on inside of it. Also, let's see here. Of course, we have a few loose chains here that needs to be tightened up. We have a broken coupler wire here in the back. And the tender wire or harness here, I'll go ahead and pull it out. Of course, it's been cut back there a little bit. I do have replacement harnesses, and looking to see what else I can see right now. But I do know there's one or two things here that need to be, I should really take it apart and check it out. I'd also like to clean it up here. I'd take all of the linkages apart here. I'll take all of this apart, all this back here, lube everything up, check inside, and see how the motor grease is holding up, clean that out if it's needed. Only things I don't have right now are the traction tires. I have an order in with MTH, but their parts department shut down, and I can't get any right now. And I don't have the linkage here. The only thing I would do was just put a black bolt in there, but I don't think I would mess with it. But for sure, redo the wiring harness there. I would say $65 for everything to, go through, clean everything up, lube it, replace the harness, get all the other little things there. I'll give you a call later and see if you're okay with that. And I'll post another video here in just a minute. I'm going to download the sound file that's already on there, reload our Banshee file, and see if that's going to work. So, thank you.